What's your problem in IELTS?
Actually, I face major problem in the speaking module. In speaking module, there are some questions. There are some spontaneous questions like if you are stuck in some situation, what will you do? Like that. In there, many ideas are stuck in our mind, but how to say, when to say, how to say that, which connectors we have to use. In that, I face major problems like from where to start, how to link the two ideas, which idea to give priority. In that, I am stuck. So
Okay. For that, the best solution is you have to take two steps. The very first one is speak a bit slower than your actual speed so you can focus on each and every single thing properly. Okay. Secondly, speak in your free time. Record your interview, listen to that, take your own interview, record that, listen to that, analyze your mistakes. Just determine that those mistakes will never be made again. Just try to eradicate your mistakes. That's what you need to do. How are you, Sachin?
I am good, sir.
Wonderful. What's your problem in IELTS?
Sir, I am facing difficulty in reading module. I have problem in long MCQs where I face difficulty to find perfect answer, and in list of heading I face difficulty.
Okay.
So sometimes I cannot comprehend the proper paragraphs.
Okay, in that case, perhaps you are having lack of reading abilities. You need to read in your free time because reading in your free time without any stress, without any tension is very important because definitely you can understand easily because you are giving much more time towards understanding what exactly the meaning of the text is. Okay, definitely doing that will help you comprehend each and every single thing properly. And gradually your comprehending ability will be enhanced. Okay, because what happens when you're reading in your IELTS exam, you are running after the time barrier. That is not happening in your free time. That needs to be done. Start reading in your free time and see the result after 10 days or after just a week. Doing that will definitely enhance your band score and your ability of reading. Definitely, I believe that. What's your problem in IELTS?
I face problem in reading module because of restriction of time. I am unable to complete all the three comprehensions, and due to that I am unable to write all the 40 answers. And then I face many problems in list of heading because in that I have to read all the whole comprehension, and it is hard to find the answers because all the options seems to be same. And I
Exactly.
also face some problem in writing because of lack of thoughts and the spontaneous thoughts because I don't get that much amount of thought to write in the writing session.
Okay, no problem. Firstly, talking about reading, the same thing you need to do, you need to read in your free time. Secondly, when you give the test, you need to understand everything properly, right? Just try to comprehend the text quite faster and keep doing that unless you understand the text. You need to give 2 to 3 tests every day of reading, right? Do that definitely after a week or 10 days, you will find your mistakes. You'll definitely overcome your mistakes and it's going to be quite wonderful. Now, talking of writing that you cannot have your own thoughts. Why is it happening? Because you are not thinking adequate amount of things. Although you are not writing any essay, start writing casually. Write in your free time. Create your own questions and try to give answers. Make your own ideas. That will definitely enhance your band score in writing. Definitely. Hello, what's your problem in IELTS?
I have a problem in reading section. Firstly, whenever I try to find some MCQ's answer, I feel very confused because they are very long MCQs, and that time I feel very nervous because I can't find their answer. Secondly, is I have a problem in some list of heading because they are all similar. So that's why I can't find their answer. So there is more difficult.
You're having the exact same problem as Sachin is having. Definitely you need to start reading in your free time. The reason is the text that is given in the reading module is entirely different than whatever you speak and write. Because the reading section is having so much extra information and that's quite difficult to understand. So you need to learn that text first. Read in your free time, try to understand how the sentence formation is working, then you'll be able to comprehend the text. And gradually, you'll definitely get the ability of comprehending the text quite easily and quite rapidly. Because what happens when you give the exam, definitely, as I said to Sachin, when you just read in the exam, you're running after time, and due to that tension, you are not able to comprehend everything, and definitely you look for the next question immediately.
Yes.
And that is not happening when you read in your free time. What problems are you facing in IELTS?
Yes, I also have problem in list of headings and MCQs.
Reading in your free time is quite amazing and is enhancing your comprehending abilities. Doing that will definitely increase your band score. I believe that. Okay, so please do that as much as possible.